I love trees, I love mountains, I love standing at the edge of cliffs. And besides things that are natural and are alive, or not necessarily alive, but just um, things that are natural, they give me a sense of smallness. Like big trees make me feel small. The sky sometimes makes me feel tiny and insignificant. The mountain is like this calm place with nice air and no disturbance, no uh, no screens at all, except for the screen I'm using now. But just somewhere where it's like it's just for you.